Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today on my list I have this yummy Burkina recipe for iftar, and I hope you will like it. As I always say, no long talk biao okay, let's get started. So I have my millet flour here. I've added some ginger powder and salt to taste. With the salt, please don't add too much salt. That will spoil the taste of the Burkina for you. Now I'm going to add some water. I'll mix it into a dough. And with the dough too, I'll mix it in such a way that you can break the dough into pieces, not too soft. That will give you nice and evenly Burkina pearls. So I'm done with the dough. I have my plate here. I'm going to sprinkle some millet flour on the plate. I'm going to use grater to make my pearls, but you can also use this plastic strainer to get your perfect pearl. But I'm going to use grater because it gives me smaller and evenly Burkina pearls, because I like my Burkina pearls to be smaller. I don't like it bigger, but you can use the plastic strainer to get a perfect one. So I'm getting it. You can see it as it comes out as smaller worms. So I'm sprinkling some millet flour to it, and then use my hands to break it into pieces. It's very, very easy, no hassle. I love this trick. I think it's a hack for making Burkina pearls, and it's amazing. It gives you very, very beautiful pearl. So I'm done now. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. It came out very nice and neatly, no hassle. So I'm done. I'm going to get a bowl of water. I'll use this sieve and then transfer my millet pearls on it, and then spread it. And then cover it with foil and tie it very well, because with Burkina, it needs time to cook very well. So if I tie it, it will help the steam cook it fast and cook it very well. So I'll tie it, and then I'm going to let it be on the heat for like 1 hour 30 minutes. And it's been 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm going to open it and check, and then use a fork to fluff it out and sprinkle some cold water to it. And then let it be on the heat for another 1 hour 30 minutes for it to cook very, very properly. To enjoy your Burkina, you need to give it time for the pearl to cook very well. In that case, you will not be tasting raw millet in the pearls, and you will love your Burkina. So please, if you are making Burkina, give it time for it to cook very well. So I'll cover it and then let it be on the heat for another 1 hour 30 minutes. It's been 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm going to check. Yeah, my millet pearl is cooked very well now. If it's cooked, it will be translucent. It's just like a rice. And if you taste it, make sure you taste it. And if you taste it, make sure you don't taste any raw millet in your pearls, that means it is cooked very well. I'm going to let it sit and cool down and then mix my milk. I have here natural yogurt, and then I have Greek style yogurt, and then I have double cream, which you can substitute it with powdered milk, mix it in warm water, and you are good to go. And I have here vanilla extracts for flavor, and then sugar, which you can also use honey or sweetener. Then I have whole milk. I'll add it just a bit to lighten up when my mixture is thick. I've added some sugar to my bowl. I'm now adding my yogurt to it. I'm adding half of the Greek style yogurt. I'll now add my double cream. I'll give it a mix and then add the vanilla extract to it. Mix it very well. I'll now add in my millet pearls to the milk mixture. I'll mix it together and see whether the thickness is okay for me. If it's too thick, I'll then add the whole milk, just a bit of it, to lighten it up. But if you like your Burkina very thick, you can just leave it here. But I like mine not too thick. Yeah, so I'll give it a mix and then cover it and then keep it in the fridge to let it cool down, and then I serve. Yeah, so I'm done. I wish I could serve it to all of you watching me, but hey, you've seen how I made it. Give it a try and I know you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe so we keep what popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.